Hey there, car enthusiasts! Today we're diving into something special, the 2025 Maserati GranCabrio Folgore. Buckle up, because this isn't your average convertible. First off, let's address the elephant in the room. Yes, it's electric, but don't worry, Maserati hasn't forgotten its roots. This car is still every bit as sexy and exciting as you'd expect from the Trident badge. Let's start with the looks. Man, this thing is gorgeous. Maserati has managed to keep that classic GT silhouette even with the top down. Speaking of which, that fabric roof is a work of art. It folds away neatly, preserving those sleek lines we all drool over. But let's get to the juicy part, the performance. This baby packs 3 electric motors pumping out a combined 818 horsepower. Yeah, you heard that right, 818. It'll push you from 0 to 60 in about 2.9 seconds. That's supercar territory, folks. And it's not just quick in a straight line. The handling is sharp and precise, thanks to some clever torque vectoring. It feels planted in the corners, but still gives you that classic GT comfort on long drives. Now step inside, and you're in for a treat. The interior is a perfect blend of old-school luxury and cutting-edge tech. You've got this eco-friendly upholstery called EcoNyl, fancy recycled nylon that looks and feels premium. But if you're more of a traditionalist, don't worry. Leather's still on the menu. Tech-wise, this car is loaded. There's a massive 12.3-inch touchscreen front and center, running Maserati's latest infotainment system. And for all you audiophiles out there, the Sonus Faber sound system is going to blow your mind. Now, I know what you're thinking, but it's electric, where's the emotion? Trust me, Maserati has thought of that. The sound might not be the classic V8 roar, but there's still a unique auditory experience. And with the top down, you're more connected to the drive than ever. Range-wise, we're looking at about 233 miles on a full charge. That's not Tesla territory, but it's plenty for a weekend getaway. And when you do need to juice up, it can fast charge at up to 270 kilowatts. That means you can add about 62 miles of range in just 5 minutes. Of course, all this awesomeness comes at a price. The GranCabrio Folgore starts at a cool $207,000. Yeah, it's not cheap, but then again, Maseratis never were. So, what's the verdict? The 2025 Maserati GranCabrio Folgore is a bold statement. It's Maserati saying, hey, we can do electric, and we can make it just as exciting as our gas-powered cars. It's not perfect. The range could be better, and that price tag is eye-watering. But if you're looking for a unique, stylish, and thrilling way to go electric, this Maserati delivers in spades. It's more than just a car. It's a glimpse into the future of luxury performance. A future where going green doesn't mean giving up on excitement or style. So, what do you think? Is the Maserati GranCabrio Folgore the future of luxury GTs? Or would you stick with the old-school combustion engine? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content just like this. Until next time, keep dreaming of that wind-in-your-hair, electron-powered Italian experience.